Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience. Whether for storytelling portfolios or presentations, this guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So hello guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, you have just to sign up and you write your email address and your password, then you get started. So are you ready to unleash your creativity? In this guide, you will learn how to create an engaging flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a standard visual experience. So watch this video until the end and follow the simple steps and you will be able to create your own flipbook. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our ideas. So this is the homepage as you can see. Right now you have just to search for books, like for example books or books review or books template. So you choose the one you want. So let's click over sale here. As you can see, right now you select the filter that you want. For example, here we have a vast categories related to business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. That could help you to find your books that you want, for example. Then we have also the style, the theme, the language, feature, grade, subject, topic. Then we have the price and color. For example, I will select the free one and then I will select, for example, the white one. Then I will click over apply and you will find the thing that you choose or the thing that you want. So here we have it. Right now you choose the one you want. For example, we have here this one. I will just click over here and I will click over customize the template and I will find other page which is this one. So let's wait. Right now it's the page how you can design or how you can customize. So for example, I like this one but I don't like the background. So first of all, I will add a page like that and I will just select the white background here and I will just also go to the uploads and I will select, for example, this one. I will just modify the size like that. I put it in the right side, and here we have it. As you can see, right now I will just copy this one. I'll put it here, for example. As you can see, I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here. And here we have it. I will put it here, as you can see. Then also I will copy this one and I'll put it here. And here we have it, as you can see. I will just put it here. And here I will add a heading. And I will add, for example, here the name of the book. For example, I will go to the text and I will add here a heading like that. I will modify the size and the color. For example, I will select the white color, or you can select also this color. So I'll select the white color, it's better. So I'll put it here and I will add here the size. For example, I will put it, for example, 64 like that, and I will just write right now. So for example, books of crime, as you can see. Then I will just add a subheading. So I will write here the writer like that, and I will just put it here. I put it here, and I'll write, for example, a name Alex. For example, Alex. And here we have it. So this is it. Right now I will add a page and I will write a text here. So I will delete this one. And also we have here other option, which is the option of duplicate. I will show you how you can do that. For example, this one I will just duplicate it. I will click over duplicate it here. So we have duplicate page. Right now I will just add, for example, a text here. So as you can see, this is my book and this is the text that I modified. You can also do your own text, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is click over button shape here and you click over sale like that, and you have just to scroll down and you click over symbol booklet flip like that. Then you click over save. Once you do that, you'll have just to wait for preparing your design as well. Then you click over view in simple booklet flip, and let's wait. We have it preparing your Canva design, and let's wait for it. So as you can see, here we have it. You can just click over convert, and this is how it looks for your books. So you have just to wait for a few minutes because I have just 3 page or 5 page, I guess. But if you have a various page, you have just to wait a few hours to prepare your design. So here you have it, as you can see, and this is how it looks. So also here we have other modification like edit. If you want to design record also, and we have here reports and other things. For example, if you want to record, you have just to click over here and you record narrate this page, for example. So you have just to click over allow, and we have other options. As you can see, you click over here and you start recording 3 2 1, and you start recording like that. So here we have it, as you can see. So we have your books of crime Alex Fidel, and you have just to stop recording if you're done with that. Recording like that. So here we have it, as you can see. So we have your books of crime Alex Fidel. So we have various things that you have to modify here, and here we have it. Also, if you want to edit, click over here, design. Also, it's the option of designing. As you can see, you have your presentation, layout, navigation, engage, themes, settings also. And this is how you can create your flipbook as well. So this is it, how it works with creating flipbook using Canva, and this is it for that. I hope that video has been the process, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. So there you have it. You have successfully created a stunning flipbook in Canva that brings your ideas to life. Don't forget to share your masterpiece and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. So happy flipping, guys. So also we have other options to get started with Canva. So Canva is very helpful and useful to use it, such as poster, portfolio, website as well, graphs also, and docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, video, websites, and I will show you all this in another video. So follow us in social media, and let's get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. Have a fantastic day ahead.